Hello my fellow weirdos. Today we're going to be making some fresh salsa. This recipe is easy and delicious. To begin, we're going to pour in a 14.5 ounce can of stewed tomatoes. If you prefer a more chunky salsa, you'll want to drain as much liquid from the can as you can first. But if you're like me and prefer a more liquidy salsa like what you get at Chili's, then just pour it in as is. Next, we're going to take one medium onion that's been peeled and quartered and blend them all together. Next, put in a single jalapeno that's been diced. If you're like me and prefer your salsa to be more mild, you'll want to remove the seeds and membranes before dumping it into the blender. Then we're going to pour in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finally, we're going to pour in 4 to 6 drops of doTERRA Lime essential oil, and 2 to 4 drops of doTERRA Cilantro essential oil, and blend it all up. If you don't have doTERRA cilantro oil, you can do 1 cup of cilantro leaves instead. Just make sure to blend them at the very end. Pour it into a glass mason jar and enjoy it however you like. Make sure to refrigerate your leftovers so it will last longer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!